What is going on, dudes and dudettes of the interweb? Thank you so much for clicking. I am AJ and let's get right into this video. Queen Mother, also known as Lana Del Rey, has finally released her highly anticipated studio album titled Norman fucking Rockwell. We've waited for this project for quite some time now, and it's finally arrived. It's been requested that I did a reaction to this. Y'all already know what we're about to do, so without further ado, let's get into this reaction. Track number uno, Norman fucking Rockwell, the album title.
Goddamn man child,
Mother.
but I love you.
Oh my god, hold up. Wow, her voice is so beautiful and clear. Oh, I love how prominent her voice is so far. I like that. Mother is back.
You blame the news.
Beautiful. She's back! Y'all! Yes! I want to go back to the hook, to the beginning of the hook. Hold up! Girl, I gotta go back. Okay. Yeah. No! To the beginning, how?